If waiting period is 10 months, ni kumaanisha sifai kuchukua cover when my wife is pregnant. Tuache kununua insurance blindly. We want to make it easy for you to make the right decisions when you're buying insurance covers because you already have the information. Niko najiuliza, ninafaa kuchukua cover, then we try to get pregnant, ama nafaa kuchukua cover the second year ya kulipa hii medical cover. Okay? Hi guys, I hope this video finds you well. My name is Martin na sisi ni watu wa insurance. I'm doing this video in the middle of very heavy traffic. Saizi niko place inaitwa Eastleigh. Kama ushai kuja Eastleigh, you know how this place is. It's very congested. Nimekaa hapa hivi for almost an hour and nikasema instead of just wasting my time, let me just do a small video and hopefully we catch up. Now, I hope you have been enjoying the content that we have been giving you. Basically, tunafanya reviews za insurance. And also we are doing something we call civic education. And the most important bit is we are allowing you as a consumer ama client to insurance to come here and complain or even to give a compliment. Not necessarily complain because maybe kuna mtu ashaisaidika na insurance and I know many of you have taken advantage of insurance ama mmesaidikia kwa mkono insurance. So we are here just to make sure that each channel it's not just about me, it's about us. And what we want to do is to build trust. We want to build trust. To build trust na insurance. Because I believe quite a number of people have maybe have fears ikikuja ni mambo na insurance. Huwa wanaogopa sana mambo na insurance. Maybe because of experience or even some because they have been told that insurance don't work. Insurance ni wezi, insurance ni nini. Or we are trying to speak out issues that we go through. We are trying to be general. If maybe you have a complaint and you have never known where to start, so this channel is basically your place, because in the near future tunataka kwanza kuleta insurance guys ama insurance experts who are going to help us break this information down for you, at least tuweze kukua na hiyo balance ya I know some products kama insurance kama za gari zinakuwa mandatory, but watu wengi hawanaga information. You get? Kama for example, let me give you a good example. There's what we call comprehensive insurance covers. Most people wakiweka comprehensive insurance wanafikiria gari ya covered na maybe hata wameomit ile kitu nilikuwa na watrain ya excess protector. Hawakuwagi wameweka excess protector, so wanafikiria hiyo comprehensive insurance is going to pay for damage 100%, but unfortunately that's not the case. So unaweza kuwa na comprehensive insurance lakini bado ukose kulipwa. So basically what I'm trying to say, there's a lot of information to be given, na tuache kununua insurance blindly. It's good that we understand some of these things, na kama uko in that space you want to buy, of course most of us consume insurance. Hadi shi na sha hizo ni insurance, okay? So kama ushaikuwa na swali yoyote ya mambo na insurance, whether it's medical, whether it's your car policies, whether it's an investment you have made with an insurance company, all these questions zenye una feel maybe you want some clarification, this is home for you. We'll be bringing this conversation and we want to make it as simple as possible for you to understand, because at the end of the day we want to make it easy for you to make the right decisions in as far as insurance is concerned. Now, in today's video, first of all, I really want to appreciate you. I didn't know that our channel ilikuwa iko na that great impact. Sikuwa najua that what we are doing ama the idea that God gave me to do, that it would have such great impact within a very short time. I have been having a number of you people reach out to me asking me some questions, na hata by the way kuna mtu hata nimesaidia ku get a cover, na nimekuja kurealize that so many people are hungry for information ya insurance. Now given that some policies are mandatory, kama uko na gari lazima ulipe cover, even some people buy insurance because out of fear, maybe uko na familia and you don't want to expose your family to medical bills in case of a disease, and maybe you are not able to pay, or you are not sure whether you'll be able to pay. So watu wengi hununua cover not because they know the details of the cover, but because it's either out of fear or it's mandatory to have a cover. Now, we want to make it easy for you to make the right decisions when you're buying insurance covers because you already have the information. Now, we are open to have any discussion inaguzia mambo ya insurance, so long as it's going to add value to you, so long as it's going to give you an easy time to make to buy and also to have your rights covered. Okay, not just buying. We want you to buy, but at least at the end of the day you feel protected because you know some of this information. Unajua sometimes watu huwa wanagongwa because they don't know, they don't have the information. Even when someone comes to you na maybe anataka kuuzia cover, you don't know what to ask because haujui. Okay, so it's important for you to learn these things so that when you are buying, at least you can engage with this person who is selling you this insurance cover. At least unaweza muuliza maswali tough. Okay, now I promise you that we'll be having guests when at least wameenda mbele yetu kidogo in terms of experience, and tomorrow I'm having an engagement with one person who really motivated me to join insurance. Okay, yeah, amekuwa at least there for some time, and I really want to appreciate him because he has given me his blessings. Amesema anytime that we need to have tough questions answered, he's willing to take us through, and I have a number of questions, and there are 4 questions. But before I get into the questions, nataka pia wewe, at least I know you have a question, write it in the comment section. Let's have this engagement. It's not about me, it's about us, it's about this community. Tusome pamoja. Now, I want just to go through my 4 questions very quickly, and then I allow you to continue. Maybe we can have like 6 questions as ipitie mbio mbio. At least we start learning, we start engaging. Now, if you have ever bought a medical cover na maybe ukawekewa option ya maternity, you realize that a maternity option has for most covers has a waiting period of around 10 months. Okay? Now, before me niingie insurance, kuna hii swali nilikuwa najiuliza, if waiting period is 10 months, ni kumaanisha sifai kuchukua cover when my wife is pregnant. Okay? Na pia getting pregnant haikuagi ati obvious. When you want it, it happens. It doesn't happen that way. So, nilikuwa najiuliza, how do you time uchukue cover? Again, a medical cover inakuwa renewable every year. So, ni kumaanisha, if I have to wait for 10 months, ni kumaanisha hiyo cover hiyo mwaka ita expire. Okay? So, nilikuwa najiuliza, ninafaa kuchukua cover, then we try to get pregnant, ama nafaa kuchukua cover the second year ya kulipa hii medical cover. Okay, so I want him to come and clarify that mambo ya medical insurance, especially maternity. Mtu anafaa kuchukua after, mtu anafaa kuchukua lini? Kama unataka kutumia medical, kama unataka kutumia maternity option, unafaa kuchukua hiyo cover lini? That's question number 1. Number 2, how can I fast track an insurance claim? As in, ninaweza lipo aje haraka? Sababu kuna watu huwa wanalipo haraka na kuna wengine hawalipagwi, na kuna wengine hata wakilipo ina take very long, wanaenda kutumia pesa yao. So how can I fast track a claim? Then number 3, how do I choose an insurance when buying a policy or a cover? How do I choose? There are so many companies out here. Kuna kina Britam, kuna CIC, kuna Jubilee, all these companies, you know them. So when you are buying an insurance cover, what is the difference, or what's the difference between these companies? Ama ni nini inafanyaga unachukua Britam over Jubilee, ama Jubilee over CIC or other companies? How can I choose, or what do I look at? Okay, then finally, I think nimeguzia hii kitu in the previous video, and that is on excess protector. I want him to come and give us the details. Okay, so those are my 4 questions, quick ones. So hapo chini kwa comment section, type a question, any question, so long as ni question ya insurance. Maybe ushailipa a cover, maybe ushailipa a policy ya masomo ya mtoto na ulifika mahali ukawacha. So how can you resume, or how can you do what? How can you go about it if you want to go back, if you want to come back? Unajua kuna watu maybe wanachaka policy because of the financial constraint. So kama maybe unaweza taka kurudi kulipa hiyo policy, kama maybe unaweza taka ku discontinue, Kama maybe unaweza taka kufanya nini, any question, you understand what I'm saying, eh? Any question that is touching on insurance, you can write in the comment section. Maybe we can have him answer like 6 questions, na we'll continue. Tutaendelea kusoma pole pole, and kidogo kidogo, maybe in the future we'll be able to have a good podcast and have some interesting conversation. I know you guys have been waiting for this based on the comments and reactions that I have been seeing from the comment section. So I want to thank you because of being part of this community, and I want you to own this community. It's not about me again. Let me repeat that. It's not about me. It's about us. It's about making you better. It's about making helping you make the right decisions. It's a mambo na insurance. And at the end of the day, we don't want you to lose money. We want you to place your money where you can get value out of it. Okay? So thank you very much for watching this video to the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. God bless you, and adios.